Hi, and welcome back. This is your resident Simon here, the FixIt Monkey. And in today's episode, we're sprucing up the living room area. My apologies for not uploading any videos lately. It's been a long cold winter up here in the Northeast. But not to worry, Mrs. Monkey just stepped out of the monkey house with a long shopping list. She was muttering something about that wall's gotta go. I was a little nervous, but we'll see how this goes. Let's start by building bookcases. I gotta build 4 of these. Mrs. Monkey, can you tell me what we're building?
It's a TV fireplace wall with built-in bookcases.
I see. Sounds exciting. Okay, Mrs. Monkey says I have to build 4 of these, so I'm guessing 2 aside, so I have to build a frame in the middle? Did I mention it's cold in my workshop? I'm assembling the frame indoors. It's warmer. Apologies, I was having issues with my camera, but luckily, Mrs. Monkey took some pictures. I dry fitted the frames first, securing them with clamps before permanently screwing them in. After securing the frames with screws, it is now time to dry fit the TV mount and the fireplace. Time to install the cement boards. That's my Vietnamese cousin Sunny checking the work. I can see the finish line from here. We'll let the thin set dry overnight and we'll apply grout tomorrow morning. Oh boy, I'm really nervous. I think Mrs. Monkey needs to decorate. I guess you can say that's an improvement from this to this. That was a great idea, Mrs. Monkey. You have wonderful taste. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked the video, and if you haven't already, please hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on the FixIt Monkey.